roses in the morning. It's like roses in the afternoon. It's like roses in the evening. It's like roses in the nighttime. So let's look around and see what's going on, what's going on. More fire, more fire, more fire is there. So it's like roses in the morning. It's like roses in the afternoon. It's like roses in the evening. So more like candlelight, candlelight. Roses, 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 candlelight, roses. It's like a roses in the morning. It's like a roses in the afternoon. It's like a roses in the night. Welcome back is like a roses here. Roses in the morning. Roses in the evening. Roses at supper time. Candlelight is right there. Big fire is coming around, coming around. So it's like roses in the morning, roses in the evening, roses at supper time. So get some roses, roses on the floor, roses in the bathroom, roses at the dinner table. So look around, and tell me what you see. You see roses in the morning, just like the sunlight in the morning, just like the sunset in the afternoon. So look around, tell me what you see. It is raining, raining, and you see the rainbow. You see the beautiful rainbow in the afternoon while the sun is setting. That is beauty, and this is what it is. This is what it is. This is what it is. So you see the sunset, you see the rainbow, you see the roses in the morning, you see the roses in the evening.